Moisture in transformer oil poses a critical risk factor that is often underestimated. Even a small amount may entail serious consequences. Deteriorated dielectric strength of oil, accelerated aging of insulation, decreased electrical safety, and failure of the entire transformer is the final result. When moisture content exceeds allowable limits, the likelihood of a breakdown dramatically increases, and no modern protection can guarantee steady operation of equipment. For this particular reason, moisture content monitoring and oil dehydration when the recommended values are exceeded is one of the key elements of transformer maintenance. GlobeCore specializes in the manufacture of CMM thermal vacuum machines for transformer oil purification and dehydration with a capacity ranging from 600 to 17,000 liters per hour. The typical GlobeCore technology allows reducing the moisture content down to 10 parts per million, which fully complies with most of international standards. The process occurs in several stages. First, the oil flows through a heating unit, then enters a vacuum chamber, where moisture is removed from oil in the form of vapor. This is efficient, fast, and cost-effective. However, some power-generating facilities have more stringent requirements for the moisture content of transformer oil. These include high-load transformers on the main power lines, and facilities with increased reliability requirements, such as nuclear power plants or military infrastructure facilities. Manufacturers of new transformers may also impose stricter requirements on the moisture content of transformer oil, striving for maximum oil purity prior to oil filling. In such cases, it is necessary to reduce the residual moisture to less than 5 parts per million. Based on customer preferences and requests, GlobeCore has added 2 advanced modes to the standard operating mode of CMM thermal vacuum dehydration machines. 5 ppm mode is a high dehydration mode wherein the machine operates at reduced capacity to ensure that the oil remains in the vacuum exposure zone for a longer period of time. 5 ppm plus mode is another high dehydration mode. In addition to decelerating the flow to the system, this mode allows applying the sorbent-containing cartridges that additionally remove moisture, capturing even its microscopic traces. For multiple use of zeolite, GlobeCore has developed BRZ and BRPS units, which allow the properties of sorbent to be completely reclaimed. In order to ensure quality control at each stage, we equip the CMM machines with moisture sensors at the machine inlet and outlet, which record the oil moisture level before and after processing. A built-in printer that allows printing a receipt and visualizing the measurement results. An electronic logbook that allows accumulating an array of measured data and exporting it for report generation and technical analysis. This is essential for the service companies and manufacturers that must prove the quality of their services by the appropriate documents. Owing to the GlobeCore CMM machines operating in 5 ppm and 5 ppm plus modes, you achieve the following: controlled results, transformer oil dehydration in accordance with the highest standards, enhanced reliability of power-generating equipment. What are the requirements to the rate of oil dehydration in the power-generating equipment that you get to maintain? Share them in the comments section. More information on the GlobeCore technology and equipment for transformer oil dehydration can be found by following the link in the first comment or visiting our website, www.globecore.com.